Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming your Google account is signed in and your primary calendars are visible. Once done, open the Notion page where events should appear and add an embed block or prepare an integration. Choose now whether you need a quick visual embed or a two-way sync. The embed shows events fast, while a sync requires a connector but enables updates. Make sure to grant calendar access where prompted so Notion or your connector can read the event data and display it correctly. If you use the embed route, copy the calendar's public embed link from Google Calendar settings and paste it into Notion's embed block. This displays events immediately but is view-only. If you require interaction, pick a connector that supports Notion and Google Calendar, then authorize both apps and map which Google Calendars link to which Notion pages or databases. Once mappings are set, create a test event in Google and confirm it appears in Notion. This validates permissions and the mapping logic before you rely on it. Finalize by adjusting the embed block size or Notion database properties so dates and titles show clearly. For connectors, set sync frequency and field mappings so updates flow as expected. Make sure two-way sync is enabled only when you want edits in Notion to update Google Calendar, because conflicts can occur. If an event fails to appear or updates lag, reauthorize the Google and Notion connections, check the connector's activity or logs for errors, and retry the single event test to confirm the problem is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.